What's up, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. So for today, I want to take you along with my Apple trade-in process. If you were ever curious about it, I hope this video benefits you. So before we begin the demo, long story short. So if you watched my last video, I recently bought the MacBook Pro, and I no longer need my iPad. I'm going to try to trade this in for a pair of AirPods Pro. And I'm not trying to pay $250 out of pocket for it. Alright, let's get going. Let's begin. So, let's go on your internet browser first. And then I'm going to type in Apple Trade-in. And this should be the first website right here. Alright, so here is the main page. And what you're going to do is go all the way down, and I can show you guys this. You can see how much your estimated trade-in values can be. You can trade in your iPhones all the way up to iPhone 6s, and then the iPads. You're going to trade in some MacBooks or the desktop Mac, watches, etc. Wow, you can get a Google Pixel 2 as well too. It's the other devices. Or you could recycle it if you are environmental friendly. So what I'm trading in is my iPad, and it says it could be up to $130. So you're not gonna press this button right here. You're gonna actually go all the way down and go to get credit on Apple Store gift card right over here. So I'm trading in tablet, so I'm going to be the second option right here. All right, let's go get my tablet, and Apple made it. Serial number, give me 1 sec. All right, so I got my serial number in, and then you just verify that this is your iPad. And then does my device turn on? Yes. Is the enclosure in good shape? And yep, they work perfectly. And as you can see, I can get $130 trade-in value. Trading for a gift card. And then they need my address. I'm gonna fill that out real quick. So once you got done with all the addresses and contact information, you just gotta agree that you understand and press finish up. And here are the instructions. Then I'm going to get a trading kit. And that's that. Alright, so the next thing is you should go to your email, the email that you put on with the contact information. So it's not Apple that is gonna be sending you the email. It's Phobio, I believe. Phobio Apple Trade-in. Just here to ask you to confirm. So once you hit the confirm button on the email page from Phobio, you should be brought to the Phobio homepage. That is where it's going to show you the confirmation number, your trade status, shipment summary, status history, and shipment and payment history. So now we get to just play the waiting game. I have to wait until the trade-in kit comes, and until then, this is going to be end of part 1. I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you guys in part 2.